Hey everyone, it's Melissa from Open Circle Acupuncture and Healing, and I'm here today to talk about a drink that I love to make whenever I'm trying to focus on cleansing the liver, which we're doing as a practice starting next week. So this drink has 3 ingredients: filtered water, here we go, some olive oil, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and we're going to do lemon with the seeds and the peel. So lemon is very high in vitamin C. It's hydrating and it's detoxifying for the liver because it helps with the breakdown of unhealthy fats. When you add the peel, you're going to get about 10 times the nutritional value as just the juice. The seeds too, a lot of fiber in the peel and the seeds. And also the seeds is a source of salicylic acid, which is a component that's in aspirin. So it actually has some pain relieving effects, which we don't want to miss out on. The olive oil, again, it's a healthy fat. So it seems counterintuitive to use a fat to help with fatty liver, but it's one of the absolute best things because it helps to flush bile out of the gallbladder and the liver and help keep you regular. So it has tons of health benefits. So we're gonna put the cup or pint of water, and then I'm gonna just put both lemons in the blender, add a tablespoon. There we go. And then I'm gonna blend it up. Might be a little loud, but I want you to see how easy it is. I'll spare you any more noise, but it was that easy. So you see it has a bit of a cloudy look to it with the olive oil. It's really tasty. My kids, my husband, everybody was very skeptical, but they all liked it. Cheers. Happy cleansing. Bye.